and select FSD Supervised. To engage FSD on a stalkless vehicle, press the right scroll wheel once. For vehicles with stalks, pull the drive stalk down once. You can also enter a destination and use the Start FSD Supervised button to begin your trip, eliminating the need to manually shift to drive or reverse before engaging. To understand when FSD Supervised can be engaged or is active, refer to the steering wheel icon and driving path color on the display. When FSD Supervised is not actively controlling your Tesla but is ready to be engaged, the vehicle's driving path will be grey and a grey steering wheel icon will appear. When FSD Supervised is actively controlling your Tesla, the steering wheel icon turns blue and a blue line representing your driving path will appear. If FSD Supervised is ever unavailable for any reason, the steering wheel icon will disappear. To disengage FSD Supervised on a stalkless vehicle, press the right scroll wheel once. For vehicles with stalks, push the drive stalk up. You can also disengage by pressing the brake pedal or by applying turning force to the steering wheel. FSD Supervised drives at the speed it determines is most appropriate, considering factors like road type, traffic flow, environmental conditions, and speed limit without exceeding your max speed setting. You can control how FSD Supervised manages speed in 3 ways. 1. By adjusting the max speed manually by scrolling up or down on the right scroll wheel. 2. By setting a max speed offset, which adjusts the max speed dynamically based on a fixed percentage offset to the detected speed limit. Or 3. By enabling contextual max speed, which allows the system to adjust dynamically based on visual cues in the driving scene. Refer to your owner's manual for more details about settings related to FSD Supervised. FSD Supervised is equipped with a driver monitoring system that monitors driver attention and readiness to take over. Keep your eyes on the road ahead, to the left or right, to the mirrors, or briefly at the display as applicable. Keep your hands in a position near or on the steering wheel such that they are ready to take over at any time. If the system detects that you're distracted, such as using a phone or looking away from the road for too long, a series of warnings and chimes will remind you to pay attention. Once your eyes have been directed back towards the road and your hands are near the steering wheel, the warning will clear. If these warnings are ignored, FSD Supervised may be deactivated for the remainder of the trip and will not reactivate until the vehicle is parked. Repeated occurrences may lead to temporary suspension of the feature. As a reminder, the system is not fully autonomous and requires your active supervision while engaged. You may be required to take over at any time. Refer to your owner's manual for a more detailed list of system limitations. You are always responsible for safe vehicle operation. In situations where FSD Supervised cannot continue to operate, a warning chime will sound, and the screen will display a "Take over immediately" message. For example, this message could occur due to obstructed cameras, unexpected technical faults, or unsupported regions and road types. When this occurs, it is your responsibility to take control of the vehicle. More details on when a "Take over immediately" message could occur can be found in your owner's manual. We're excited for you to experience full self-driving supervised. For more information on Tesla products, subscribe to Tesla tutorials on YouTube or visit tesla.com/FSD. Refer to your owner's manual for additional information.